How to fix macOS Sequoia issues and boost your Mac's performance. Your Mac is painfully slow, your Wi-Fi keeps cutting out, and some apps won't even open? You're not alone. macOS Sequoia is causing major headaches for users everywhere. But don't panic. Today, I'll show you how to fix these issues fast. And trust me, the first fix alone could make your Mac feel brand new again. We'll cover how to fix slow performance, solve Wi-Fi problems, make security software work again, and at the end, I'll show you a secret setting that Apple doesn't talk about that can instantly boost speed. Comment "fixed" below if these work for you. Let's get started. Wi-Fi and internet issues. Alright, first up, Wi-Fi issues. If your internet keeps disconnecting, is painfully slow, or won't connect at all, here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on the right way. The first thing you should do is disable and re-enable Wi-Fi the proper way. Click the Apple logo and go to System Settings, click Network. Wi-Fi, then toggle it off. Wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. Why wait? Because your Mac automatically resets the connection and forces a fresh network handshake. If you reconnect instantly, the issue might persist. Fix 2. Forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If Wi-Fi is still acting up, try removing the network and adding it back. Go to System Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, click Details. Next to your Wi-Fi network, click Forget this network. Restart your Mac, reconnect, and enter your password. This clears out any corrupted network settings that might be causing problems. Fix 3. Change DNS for faster internet. If your internet is connected but slow, your default DNS might be the issue. Let's change it to a faster and more reliable DNS. Open System Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, click Details. DNS, click Plus, and enter 8.8.8 and 8.4.4. Google's DNS. Click Done and restart Wi-Fi. This often speeds up page loading times and improves network stability. Fix 4. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, let's reset your Mac's network settings. Open Terminal, search for it in Spotlight. Type sudo if config n0 down tient and sudo if config n0 up, press enter and type your password. Restart your Mac. This completely resets your network interface, forcing macOS to create a fresh connection. Bonus tip: if you're using a VPN, disconnect and test your Wi-Fi. Some VPNs interfere with network stability. Security and third-party app bugs. Next, let's talk about security apps, firewalls, and VPNs not working correctly after updating to macOS Sequoia. If your antivirus, VPN, or firewall is broken, here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Check and update your security software. If your antivirus or VPN stopped working, it might be outdated. Open the App Store or the security software's website, download the latest version. If an update is available, install it and restart your Mac. Many security apps require updates after a macOS upgrade to stay compatible. Fix 2. Grant full disk access. Some security apps won't work unless they have full permissions. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down to Full Disk Access. Find your security app and toggle it on. Restart the app. This gives the app permission to scan your Mac and function properly. Fix 3. Reset your firewall. If your firewall is blocking internet access or apps, reset it. Go to System Settings or Network, Firewall. Click Options. Toggle off for 5 seconds, then turn it back on. If an app still isn't working, click on Allow incoming connections for that app. Pro tip: if Safari or Chrome won't load pages, check if you have a security extension blocking traffic. Slow macOS Sequoia performance. Finally, let's talk about slow performance. If your Mac feels sluggish, apps are taking forever to load, or you're seeing the spinning wheel of death, here's what to do. Fix 1. Reduce motion and transparency. First, let's turn off unnecessary animations. Open System Settings, click Accessibility, Display. Toggle, Reduce Motion, and Reduce Transparency. This removes fancy effects that slow down older Macs. Fix 2. Clear system junk and cache. If your storage is full, it will slow your Mac down dramatically. Let's clean it up. Go to System Settings, General Storage Cache, review files and delete large unused files. Empty the trash. Restart your Mac. Pro tip. Use a tool like Clean My Mac to remove hidden junk files safely. Fix 3. Manage startup programs. Too many apps running at startup? Let's disable them. Open System Settings, General Login Items. Remove anything you don't use daily. Restart your Mac. This speeds up boot time and improves performance. Fix 4. Check activity. Monitor for high CPU usage. Sometimes one rogue app is eating up your Mac's resources. Let's check. Open Activity Monitor, search in Spotlight. Click the CPU tab. Find apps using over 80% CPU and force quit them. If you see kernel task taking up too much CPU, your Mac might be overheating. Try keeping it cool by reducing background tasks. And now, as promised, the hidden setting that can instantly speed up your Mac. Disable background app. Refresh Open System Settings. General, turn it off for all apps you don't need running in the background. This frees up system resources and speeds up performance instantly. Final thoughts. By now, your Mac should be running faster, more stable, and with fewer issues. Which fix worked best for you? Comment below. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more Mac tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.